Alright everyone, and welcome to week 1. Week 1 is the review, getting back in shape modeling with the 3D tool with Maya, and maybe getting used a little bit to Maya 2018. Because yes, I want you to download Maya 2018. This is actually fairly important. That one runs well. Um, they fixed it from 2017, so it's nice and good to go for you guys. So week 1 right here, you have the Maya user interface right here. Review if you need to. For all pre-2018 and 2018, I have a little user interface also for 2018. So if you haven't used 2018, you should look into that. And then you have the tree and bush modeling and texturing, because you're going to do both at once. Alright, you have a couple review lectures again, and then you have the main lecture for week 1 right here. And you have extra info for if you're before 2014, which I doubt you are, but you never know. And you have the weekly lectures in document. Alright, let me move that actually. So you have them in videos and document right here. So you click on it and you will see everything as usual. You have a video right here. There's multiple examples, multiple ways. Alright, you have it a full thing right here, but you have it right here also in tree trunk modeling with a document, and also videos right here, the virtual studio and the modeling right here. Okay, so and you'll have it for that is for pre 2018, and you have also for 2018. So that's pretty much it. Your week 1 lectures. And let's see. And then you have your project 1 right here that needs to be uploaded. And look to the project 1 folder for the video about that. Okay, so that's pretty much it. You also have book reading from 134 to 133, sorry, to 164, and obviously you read everything in those folders right there, in those 3 folders. Okay, unless the review part that doesn't has to do anything with the software you are using. Okay, thank you very much. I'll see you in the project 1.